Hello friends, we are starting a problem. A point source of light, you can see a point source of monochromatic light is kept at the center or the bottom of a cylinder of radius 15 centimeter. Cylinder contains water to a height of 7 centimeter. What we have to find out? We have to find out the area of the water surface through which the light emerges out, and we have to take the refractive index of water to be 4 by 3. Now over here, this is the source, and light is going from denser to rarer medium. So it is bending away from the normal. Now for a particular angle of incidence, this particular angle of incidence. So this is the angle I am talking about. This is the, you can say this is the IC. IC means the critical angle. So this is your critical angle. So this is your critical angle. So for this angle, the light is actually, the angle of refraction is becoming 90 degree. So if I try to draw a normal over here, so this will be something like this. So if I try to draw a normal, so you can see very well, this angle is actually becoming 90 degree. So that means for this particular angle of incidence, this is angle of refraction is becoming 90 degree, and over here also similarly angle of refraction is becoming 90 degree. Now what we have to find out within this particular limit, if I just name this point as A and this point as B, so over here you can see that this point A to B is the total area over the surface of the cylinder. Over here the light will actually pass. This is also known as a fish eye view of this fish over here at the source, where the source is there. If the fish was there, then the view would have been a form of a cone. So you can see very well, this is the form of a cone. And now our work is to find out the area bounded by this particular circle. Now, in order to find out that, what we need to find out, children, we need to find out the radius of this particular circle. So I have to find out the radius. So let me just join it over here, and let me just name this point, and let me just name this particular point or the center of the circle to be O. So let me name it as center of the circle to be O. So this is my point A, this is O, this is S, S is the monochromatic source of light which I discussed earlier in the problem that is being given. So this is the monochromatic source. And what the height they have given, height of the water column, you can see very well, यहाँ पर height is given to be 7 centimeter. So I can just write this to be, that means I can say SO is equals to 7 centimeter. Now refractive index of water is equals to 4 by 3. From your knowledge of critical angle, you know that sine of IC is equals to 1 by the refractive index. In this case, your material is water, so this will be reciprocal of the refractive index. So in this case, sine of IC will be equals to therefore 3 upon 4. So we have got the value of sine of IC. Now children, if I look into this triangle SOB, if I look into this triangle SOB, my this angle is actually IC, which I have discussed already. So this angle is equals to IC. This angle is IC. This angle is IC. So over here, what is happening? This is equals to tan of IC is equals to tan of IC is equals to R upon 7, because this is equals to perpendicular by base. Tan of IC is equals to R upon 7. So this is equals to, what will happen? Tan of IC is equals to R upon 7. So this is equals to what is the relation between sine IC and tan IC? I can easily find out that, because sine IC is equals to 3 upon 4, and this is equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Therefore, tan IC is equals to perpendicular. Therefore, this will be equals to what? Can I write 3 divided by root over of 4 square minus 3 square. So I can obviously write this is equals to 3 by root over of 16 minus 9. So this is equals to 3 by root over of 7. So you got the value of tan IC to be equals to 3 by root over of 7. Let me consider this to be my equation number 1, and let me consider this equation to be equation number 2. So tan IC is equals to R by 7. That is also tan IC is equals to 3 by root 7. So if I consider equation 1 and equation 2, what shall I get? Let me move on to the next page. So I'll get something like this. That is tan IC is equals to, you have already got 3 upon root 7, and that is also equals to, children, R upon 7. So from here we can calculate the value of R, that is 3 upon root 7 into 7. So if I just cancel out this, so this will be equals to R equals to 3 into root over of 7. So from here, area. So we have, I just turned the page once again. So you just see once again. So can you see, children? Here we have got the value of the radius. So if we have got the value of radius, then what can I find out? We can obviously find out the area. So what shall be the area? So I can say the area of the circular portion, circular portion through which light will emerge out, through which light will emerge out is equals to pi r square. Pi is 22 upon 7 and r square is 3 root 7 whole square. So 3 root 7 whole square. So that is equals to 22 upon 7 into 9 into 7. 7 and 7 gets cancelled. So 9 to ja 18, 198. So the area will be 198 centimeter square. I hope it is clear to all of you. So the area will be 198 centimeter square. So if I just turn it once again, so this will be this area. We have to find out this area actually through which the light will emerge out. So you can just see this area is equal to 198 centimeter square. I hope it is clear to all of you. So this is a quite an interesting problem I have discussed. I think you have enjoyed the problem. Thank you.